Chemistry Honors, Organic Chemistry, Chapter 1, Structure and Bonding. Introduction. Although most abundant elements in the Earth's crust are oxygen, silicon, aluminium, and other lighter elements, yet strangely enough, almost 98% of all living tissues are made up of only carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. The carbon be the central atom around which the chemistry of life and its process revolve. The key role in the origin and evolution of life is of carbon atom due to its distinct property of combining or sharing electrons with other carbon atoms to form a wide variety of linear, branched, and cyclic chains having carbon to carbon covalent bonds. This self-linkage property of carbon atom is called catenation. The force of attraction which binds the atom together in a molecule is called chemical bond. The property of the compound depend upon type of linkages present in it. The chemical bond may be covalent, coordinate, ionic, van der Waal and hydrogen bond. Nature of bonding in organic compounds. The bonding in the organic compounds depend upon first one, configuration of the central atom. The electronic configuration of the carbon atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Excited state. That is, the carbon atom can form a maximum of 4 bonds, but the type of bonds formed depend upon the hybridization of the carbon atom. Second one, hybridization of the central atom. The hybridization of the central carbon atom affect the several physical and chemical properties like bond length, bond energy, acidity, etc. of organic molecules. Hybridization. The process of intermixing of atomic orbitals of the same atom having nearly the same energy in such a way that they redistribute their energies and give the same number of new orbitals called hybrid orbitals of same shape and energy is called hybridization. These properties of hybrid orbitals are entirely different from those of atomic orbitals from which these have been obtained by hybridization. Hybridization does not take place in isolated atoms, and the hybrid orbitals are formed only at a time of bond formation. Since hybrid orbitals form stronger sigma bond, therefore carbon and some other atom undergo hybridization prior to bond formation. Characteristics of hybridization. The characteristics of hybridization include condition for hybridization and properties of hybrid orbitals. Condition for hybridization. First, the hybridization take place only during the bond formation, that is, hybridization never occur in separate atoms. Second, the hybridization take place using valence orbital, that is s, p, d, f subshells of same atom. 3. The hybridization take place only among orbitals having small energy difference. 4. Half-filled, completely filled, and vacant orbitals of an atom can take part in hybridization. 5. The excitation of electrons from lower subshell to higher subshell is not necessary during hybridization. B. Properties of hybrid orbital. First one. The number of hybrid orbitals formed is equal to the number of atomic orbital taking part in the hybridization. Second, the hybrid orbital formed has identical shape and energies. Third, the hybrid orbitals has two lobes, that is, one larger lobe and other smaller lobe. The larger lobe has more electron density than smaller lobe, and thus larger lobe is used during overlapping of orbitals. Fourth, the hybrid orbitals form stronger sigma bond than the atomic orbitals taking part in hybridization because the hybrid orbitals can overlap to a greater extent. 5. Each hybrid orbital cannot have more than 2 electrons with opposite spin. 6. The hybrid orbitals orient themselves in space at maximum distance apart to acquire minimum interelectronic repulsion and maximum stability. Hence, the type of hybridization tell about the shape geometry of the molecules. Now, type of hybridization. The hybridization can be of different types, but the carbon atom can show the following three types of hybridization. First one is diagonal or sp hybridization. The hybridization in which one s and one p orbital intermix to give two sp hybrid orbitals which have same energy and identical shape is called sp hybridization. Two sp hybrid orbitals orient themselves in space at angle of 180 degree to give linear shape by acquiring minimum interelectronic repulsions, minimum energy, maximum stability. Hence, the sp hybridization is also called diagonal hybridization or linear hybridization. Each sp orbital contains one electron and has 50% x character and 50% p character. In figure 1.1 sp hybridization we can see example shape of ethine. The electronic configuration of carbon in excited state is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Number 2. Trigonal or sp2 hybridization. The hybridization in which 1s and 2p orbitals intermix to give 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals which has same energy and identical shape is called sp2 hybridization. The 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals are oriented in space at an angle of 120 degree to acquire trigonal planar shape by acquiring minimum interelectronic repulsions, minimum energy, maximum stability. Hence, the sp2 hybridization is also called triangular hybridization. Each of sp2 hybrid orbitals have 33.33% s character and 66.67% p character. This type of hybridization explains the structure of first one is all compounds of boron such as Bf2, BCl3, BH3, etc. Second one, all compound of carbon having a double bond between carbon atoms, example ethylene. Third one, in conjugated dienes or polyenes, example 1,3-butadiene. Shape of ethylene C2H4. The electronic configuration of carbon in the excited state is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. In the formation of ethylene molecule, each of the two carbon atom undergo sp2 hybridization to form 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. Beside these 3 sp2 hybridized orbital, each carbon atom has one unhybridized 2p orbital which is oriented at right angle to the plane of the 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. The process of electron promotion and hybridization is shown in figure 1.6. One of the sp2 hybrid orbital of the carbon atom overlap coaxially with one sp2 hybrid orbitals of the other carbon atom along their internuclear axis to form a carbon-carbon sigma bond between them. The remaining two sp2 hybrid orbital of each carbon atom overlap with one s orbital of two hydrogen atom along their respective internuclear axes to form CH sigma bond. The unhybridized 2p orbital of the both carbon atom overlap sidewise to small extent to form a weak pi bond as shown in figure 1.7. Thus, ethylene is a planar molecule. Tetrahedral or sp3 hybridization. The hybridization in which one s and 3 p orbital intermixed to give 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals which has same energy and identical shape is called sp3 hybridization. The 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals are oriented in space at an angle of 109 degree 28 minute to acquire tetrahedral shape by acquiring minimum inter-electronic repulsions, minimum energy, and maximum stability. Hence, the sp3 hybridization is also called tetrahedral hybridization. Each sp3 hybrid orbital had 25 s character and 75% p character. This type of hybridization occur in all compound of carbon which contain carbon single bonds only. Example: methane, ethane, etc. Shape of methane CH4. Atomic number of carbon is 6. Its electronic configuration in the ground state is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. Due to 2 unpaired electron in the ground state electronic configuration, carbon should show a valency of 2. However, carbon exhibits a valency of 4. It therefore must have 4 unpaired electrons. This is possible only when one electron from 2s orbital is excited to empty 2pz orbital to give excited state electronic configuration, that is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. The process of electron promotion and hybridization is shown in figure 1.10. One 2s orbital and three 2p orbitals of each carbon atom hybridized to form four sp3 hybrid orbitals. These hybrid orbitals of the carbon atom are directed toward the four corners of a regular tetrahedron and are arranged at an angle of 109 degree point 28 minute to each other. Each of the four sp3 hybridized orbital overlap coaxially with 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Its electronic configuration is 1s1 to form methane molecule which has a symmetrical tetrahedral structure as shown in figure 1.11. Various parameters of methane molecules are: first one is bond angle between HCH is 109 degree 28 minute. Second, CH bond length is 1.10 angstrom or 110 picometer. Bond length: the average distance in between the center of two atomic nuclei in a covalent molecule is called the bond distance or bond length. The bond length are characteristics properties of a molecule and give information about its structure, properties, etc. Bond length can be determined by X-ray diffraction, electron diffraction, or other spectroscopic studies. Unit of the bond length. The unit of the bond length is angstrom. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the raised power minus 10 meter or picometer. 1 picometer is equal to 10 to raise minus 12 meter. Bond length of some common covalent bond are given in table 1.1. Factor affecting the bond length. Size of the atom. The bond length is directly proportional to the size of the atom, that is, bond length is proportional to size of atom. So we can say that the larger the size of the atom, longer will be the bond length. Example: the bond length order among the hydrogen halide is as Hi greater than Hbr greater than HCl greater than Hf. On moving down the group 17 hydrides, the size of the X atom increases and thus the internuclear distance between H and X atom increases. so the HX bond length also increases. Second one, multiplicity of the bond, and we can say also bond order. Bond multiplicity is defined as the number of bonds present in two covalently bonded atoms. The bonded the bond length is inversely proportional to the multiplicity of the bond, that is, bond length inversely proportional to 1 by multiplicity of the bond or bond order. So, we can say that the more the number of the bonds, smaller will be the bond length, because within the increase in the number of the bond, the force of attraction in between two atoms increases, and thus the two atoms come closer to each other, so the bond length decreases. Example: the bond length order among the C single bond C, C double bond C, and C triple bond C is C single bond C greater than C double bond C greater than C triple bond C. C single bond C bond is 1.54 Armstrong along, while C double bond C bond is 1.34 Armstrong, and C triple bond C is 1.20 Armstrong long. Third, type of hybridization or percentage S character. The bond length is inversely proportional to the percentage S character. That is, so we can say that the more the percentage S character, more will be the electronegativity, and thus more will be the attraction with the neighboring atoms. So smaller will be the bond length. Example: the CH bond length order among the C single bond H, C single bond H, and triple bond C single bond H bond. Electronegativity of carbon atom, because in single bond C single bond H, double bond C single bond H, and triple bond C single bond H, the carbon atom has sp3, sp2, and sp hybridization respectively, and thus 3 occur more attraction in between the C and H atom in triple bond C single bond H bond than in double bond C single bond H and single bond C single bond H bond. Fourth, delocalization of electrons. With the delocalization of pi electrons over conjugated system, bond length decreases for single bonds and increases for double bonds. For example, in benzene, there are 3 carbon single bond carbon and 3 carbon double bond carbon. The expected value of bond length are 1.54 angstrom and 1.34 angstrom respectively. Actually, in benzene, bond energy. The average amount of energy released when 1 mole of bonds are formed from isolated gaseous atom is called bond energy, or the average amount of energy required to dissociate 1 mole of bonds present between the atoms in the gaseous molecule. Again, bond energy. The average amount of energy released when 1 mole of bonds are formed from isolated gaseous atom is called bond energy, or the average amount of energy required to dissociate 1 mole of bonds present between the atoms in the gaseous molecules is called bond energy. We always take the average value of bond energy, because the bond energy of a particular bond is not same in different type of compounds and even not same in the same compound. For example, the bond energy of CH bond is not same in CH4, C2H6, CH3Cl, CH2Cl2. Hence, we always take the average value. Average bond energy is equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E4 plus En upon N. Bond strength are usually calculated from the value of heat of formation or heat of combustion using Hess law of constant heat summation. Some of the important bond energy are given in the table 1.2. It can be seen from the table that carbon-carbon multiple bonds are associated with higher bond energies and have stronger than carbon-carbon single bond. Next topic, factor affecting the bond energy. First one, size of the atom. The bond energy is inversely proportional to the size of atom. That is, bond energy, we can say that the larger the size of the atom, longer will be the bond length and thus lesser will be the energy required to break the bond. That is, lesser will be the bond energy. Example, the bond energy order among the hydrogen halide is as HF greater than HCl greater than HBr greater than HI. Internuclear distances in small in F and H. As we go down the group, internuclear distances increases and internuclear distances in HI is larger. Second one, multiplicity of bond or bond order. The bond energy is directly proportional multiplicity of bond or bond order. The bond energy is directly proportional to the multiplicity of the bond. That is, bond, we can say that the more the number of the bonds in between the two atoms, smaller will be the bond length and more will be the energy required to break the bond. That is, more will be the bond energy. Example, the bond energy order among the C single bond C, C double bond C and C triple bond C is C triple bond C greater than C double bond C greater than C single bond C. Example, bond energy increases at the multiplicity of the bond increases. NH2 single bond NH2 less than HN double bond NH less than N triple bond N. Third, number of lone pair electrons. The bond energy is inversely proportional to the lone pair electrons present on the bonded atom. That is, bond energy proportional 1 by lone pair electrons on the bonded atom. So, we can say that the presence of lone pair electrons on the bonded atoms causes repulsion between the atoms and thus less amount of energy is required to separate the bonded atoms. That is, lesser will be the bond energy. Example, the bond order in the bond energy in group 17 is F single bond F less than chlorine single bond chlorine. Lone pair repulsion result in the breakage of even stronger FF bond. Internuclear distances is small in FF. Number of no lone pair repulsion occurs in chlorine. Because internuclear distances increases down the group, internuclear distances is large in I bond. Bond angle. The angle in between any two adjacent bonds emerged from the same central atom in a molecule is called bond angle, or the angle which is formed in between the line representing the direction of the bond is called bond angle. The bond angle is expressed in degree, minutes and seconds. Bond angle is determined by X-ray diffraction experiments and electron diffraction methods. The normal bond angle is tetrahedral angle, that is 109 degree 28 minute or 109.5 degree. Further, with each lone pair electron on the central sp2 hybridized atom, the tetrahedral angle decreases by 2.5 degree. Example, the tetrahedral angle in methane is 109.5 degree. The tetrahedral angle in ammonia having one lone pair is 109 0.5 degree minus 2.5 degree is equal to 107 degree. The tetrahedral angle in water having two lone pair is 109.5 degree minus 2.5 degree minus 2.5 degree is equal to 1.0.5 degree. Factor affecting bond angle. First one is hybridization. For molecules having sp3 hybridization, the bond angle is 109.5 degree, whereas the bond angles for sp2 and sp hybridized molecules are 120 degree and 180 degree respectively. Second, the nature of atom attached. For same hybridization, sometimes bond angle deviate due to the presence of atom having different electronegativity. Example: H single bond C angle in N-propane is 109.5 degree, while Br single bond carbon angle in 1-bromopropane is 114.2 degree. Comparison of bond angle in between the compound when central atom is same but neighboring atoms are different. The bond angle in ammonia, that is NH3, is 107 degree, but the bond angle in NF3 is 102.4 degree. Reason: due to the high electronegativity of the F atom in NF3 than H atom in NH3. The bond pair electrons in NF3 are far away from the central N atom than in NH3. So, there occurs more bond pair repulsion in NH3 than in NF3. Hence, the bond angle in NH3 is higher than in NF3. Third, the size of the central atom. Bond angle changes with increase in the size of central atom. For example, in H2O, HOH angle is 104.5 degree, while in H2S, HSS, H at angle is 92.1 degree. Comparison of bond angles in between the compound when central atom is different. Lone pair electrons are same but neighboring atoms are similar. The bond angle in water is 104.5 degree, but the bond angle in H2S is 90 degree. Reason: due to the high electronegativity of O atom than S atom. The bond pair electron of OH bond more closer to the central O atom in water than the bond pair electron of SH atom toward the central S atom in H2S. So there occur more bond pair repulsion in H2O than in H2S. Hence, the bond angle in water is higher than in H2S. The bond angle in ammonia, that is NH3, is higher than the phosphine, that is PH3. Reason: due to the high electronegativity of N atom in NH3 than P atom in PH3. The bond pair electrons of NH atom are